guys, this is the video. Finally did it. Reached another milestone, one we never thought that we would even come close to, right?
Oh, yeah.
And what is that?
10,000 subscribers.
10,000 subscribers, boys. Couldn't thank you enough. We brought out all the rigs, except for our dad's GMC because it's still stuck, right?
Yep.
But maybe with this milestone, if we keep growing, we'll start building it soon. But we wanted to bring out all the trucks to celebrate this growth. And we're gonna announce a giveaway at the end of this video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But we wanted to bring out the trucks today to go over them and talk about the mods that we have planned for them. And we only did one video on the 08, right?
Oh yeah.
So you wanna tell them what you got planned for it so we can get some more content going on it, because I know everybody's waiting for it.
Planning on doing the color matched headlights and tail lights.
So you're going for the full whiteout look. So white headlights, white tail lights. You got any plans with the grill?
Just a badge, but they're sold out still, so gotta hold off.
I guess everything's on back order. Any other plans with her?
Track bars, probably doing the 72-inch track bars. And then a second gen 12.
Well, that's news to me. I didn't think you were doing that.
I am. Springtime, not now.
I mean, he hasn't done much work to it now, just a few things here and there to make it run a little better since he's bought it, and some maintenance things, but I think he's just enjoying it. You've been liking it so far?
Oh yeah.
A lot of comments yet? Well, I think the question everybody wants to get an answer to is, did you get pulled over yet because of the big old stance?
Have not. Had a cop ask if they were 12 wides or 14s. I was like, 14s, I like it. Walks inside.
So he's gotten pretty lucky with that, so hopefully that holds up, and fingers crossed, right?
Oh yeah.
I guess you're saving up your money for some tickets just in case.
A little bit.
Go on any road trips with it, you gotta stay prepared.
Yep.
So moving on to the big old beast of a second gen. I think the last thing we did to it was the wheels and the cat stack. Just kind of been taking it out to shows and enjoying it. Got any plans for it over the winter or in the spring?
Doing a wrap eventually. Not sure when. Other than that, that's about it.
And I guess as far as the little old Dakota goes, because she looks kind of small sitting next to these two beasts, right?
Yeah.
I think with the 10,000 subscribers, it's time to throw a big old Cummins in it. I'm kidding. At least as of now. You know, maybe if we grow really big, I'll get another one and maybe put a Cummins in it. But for now, nothing much. I do have a problem I gotta fix as usual, because I went to start it one morning and it sounded a little louder than it should have. And you crawl underneath here, and I don't even know if you can see it here. I ain't crawling in the mud, but my exhaust broke in half. So I gotta put in a exhaust pipe patch. Other than that, fixing the exhaust, I think I'm gonna get some new headlights and tail lights, and maybe just a few other maintenance things. In the spring, I do plan on fixing the rust and repainting it same color. Needs a little work up here in the front and the front fenders, maybe around the wheel lip probably, and in the rockers on that pinch seam. So this was just a little short video, guys. I want to give you guys updates on all the trucks because it is winter time now. It's getting a little cold. We don't have many mods planned for over the winter, but if we do anything easy like the headlights or whatever, we'll be sure to film and upload those videos, and we'll definitely be doing videos over the winter. They just won't be super involved, right?
Yeah.
But hope to keep putting out content for you guys. And as far as the giveaway goes, we wanted to do something a little bigger this time around. I didn't tell you yet, but I plan on giving away a big tool set, and we'll just ship it directly to you guys from wherever we purchase it from. And in order to win that, I'll put up a picture of what you guys are going to win right here. And in order to win this, you guys have to be subscribed to the channel as usual, like this video, and drop a comment down below. And what do you want them to do? What do you want them to comment? What their favorite truck is?
Yeah.
Yeah. So out of these three, which is your favorite truck? Mine will probably come in last. But out of these three trucks, drop it down below and tell us what your guys' favorite truck is. And of course, we also have the Ford that I'm building, which haven't done a video on that in a very long time, as well as my dad's GMC. And if you guys do like those, leave that in the comments down below too, as well as the Plymouth. I'm not sure if there's any Plymouth fans on the channel, but out of all the videos across our channel, specifically these trucks, tell us what your favorite vehicle is. And if you guys want double entries to win the giveaway, go follow our Instagram page as well. I'll leave it down in the corner here. And we're gonna keep posting to that too, right?
Yep.
So if you guys want to stay up to date before YouTube, make sure you guys go follow our Instagram, and double chances to win if you guys are following that page. So go check that out as well. This is kind of a short video, like I said. Wanted to give you guys an update and give back to you guys. Thank you so much for 10,000 subscribers. We'll be announcing the winner of the giveaway in the next video, so stay tuned for that. It'll probably be up probably a week or two from this, we'll see. So guys, thank you once again for everything. Really means a lot to us. Got any comments?
Thanks for watching.
Yep. And I guess we'll just sign off with the usual. Always accelerate and don't look back. Catch you in the next one.